Good morning, student. I am biology sir. The last class completed in the lesson 1 asexual and sexual reproduction. Already completed in the asexual reproduction. Next go to the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction நம்ம நிறைய பார்த்துருக்கோம். செக்ஸுவல்னாலே வித் கான்டாக்ட் மேல் அண்ட் ஃபீமேல். Male and female ovum and egg. The male and female to fission of the gamete. The gamete means, for example, male gamete and female gamete. Next, the gametic fusion. There are 3 types. Gametic fusion means the fusion of the gamete. The example is the isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy. Some isogamy, anisogamy, oogamy is the method of the reproduction. Next, another one, the example of the reproduction in fertilization. Number 1, the external fertilization. External fertilization, the example algae. Algae is a unicellular and a multicellular algae, both of them external fertilization. Next one, the internal fertilization. Internal fertilization means higher plants. Internal means some carry the gamete, the internal body, the internal fertilization, the higher plants. Next one, flower. Flower, the normal character, the flower. The main uses of the flower, the sexual reproduction. The first one, the character of the flower. Number 1, the flower is a multi-dimensional character. Multi-dimension means it's a many nature of the flower. The next one, the tools for poets. Poet to use it in the some structural and function of the tools for poets. Next, it is a decorative material to use in the all the celebration to flower to utilize. Next one, the Tamil literature to use in the 5 lands. Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidhan சொல்வோம். The 5 lands to use in the different types of flower to utilize. Next one, the flower to use in the perfume. Some to use the perfume, the various flower to utilize. Next one, the important of flowers. Flower to possess the holds the 4 parts mainly. Number 1, androecium, gynoecium. Is androecium first one, the male character is androecium. Gynoecium is a female character. Next one is the parts of the flower. First one, the anther. Next, female is a stigma or gynoecium. Next, calyx and corolla is a 4 parts to use in the parts of flower. So mainly in the androecium and gynoecium main to uses of the flowers. Next, parts of the flowers is already very well to known. The first one, calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium to use in the parts of the flowers. Next, we explain the flowers. They show the hibiscus flower. This flower is a hibiscus, Rosa sinensis is a scientific name. Sembarthi bun solvom. The flower, the mainly for 4 character. The first one, the calyx. Calyx means is the carry the flower. The calyx is the main part to carry the flower. The carry the corolla. So carry the stigma. All the character for flower to carry the calyx. Next, another one, corolla. Corolla means is a petals or corolla. Each in the 5 corolla is the poles of the flower. Next one, the main, the androecium. Very important part, the androecium. Androecium means is a anther. The content of anther. The main anther the used in the sexual reproduction in the plant. The first one, anther means is the yellow parts. The yellow parts is oval in shape. In the anther is each and every flower is sexual reproduction to utilize the flower. Next one, the gynoecium. Gynoecium means to utilize the 2 parts. The upper part of the stigma is the lower part of the ovule. It's content of the ovule, the content of the ovary to reach the male part of the anther. It's a main part of the 2 part is a first one, androecium. Next, stigma and ovules, ovary is a gynoecium. Main, the essential part reproduction in the flower. Main essential part னு சொல்லும்போது மெயினாக சொல்கிறது என்னென்னா androecium means anther, gynoecium means is ovary, is ovule to utilize the flower in the reproduction in organism. Only for higher plants and some aquatic plant to utilize in the flower to utilized. Next one, the fertilization. The first stage என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா the reproduction. After fertilization, fertilization is divided into 3 stages: pre-fertilization, post-fertilization, next another one fertilization. The 3 process to involve in the fertilizations. Next stages of fertilization. Number 1, pre-fertilization, next fertilization, next post-fertilization. There are the 3 stages to involve in the reproduction in the sexual organism. The first one, the pre-fertilization, means is before that fertilization. Next, the process for fertilization, some fusion of male and female gamete. After that fertilization, the post-fertilization, to formation of the zygote after the each and every embryo to development the organism. Next, another one, the male reproductive part. Male reproductive part is the androecium. It's already to see the male reproductive part, the anther. To use the male reproductive organ, is a male reproductive part is anther, means is androecium. Anther. To utilize the anther is androecium. Androecium means is anther. Each anther is here is made up of homologous nature. Each anther to the presence of the homologous nature. It presence of 4 lobes formed. Each and every anther, it presence of 4 lobe is formed. 4 lobes means tetraprangium. Next, each lobe is it presents a hypodermal cells. Hypodermal cells, it presence of the nucleus. Next, the anther, it presence of archisporangium is archiporous cells. Archiporous cell, the division of the precranial and the partial cell, it presence of the anther. Next, the anther to use in the reproduction is it presence of cell. Each and every lobe it presents is 4. The 4 lobe is present is anther. Next, another one, the presence of anther is a precranial and anticranial nature. Precranial means each and every phalangium it presence of the precranial. The precranial anticranial is a 2 to 5 lobes. 2 to 5 lobes is presence of anther. Some flowers, the anther is a 2 to 5 lobes is present. The anther is wall of the endothecium. The each and every anther is made up of the outer epidermis, inner is endothecium, middle and septum, and many characters it presence of the anther character. The next one, the microporogenesis. Micro means is each anther it presence of androgen is presence of the microporogenesis. Micro, each and every anther it presents, each and every anther it presents the microsporangia, means caploid cells. Caploid means is a 1N. Anther it presents 1N. 1N means caploid. As all flower, the anther to carry the 1N. Is another to 1N is a female ovum. Is a 1 plus 1 2 is a diploid nature. 1N means is a monoecious. Is a monoecious is a diploid. The sporangia is a zygote is formed in the microsporangias. So all primary is sporangiums to utilize the 2 cells is a generative cells and vegetative cell. To utilize the 1N means is a meiosis to formed each nucleus to fertilization. The meiosis condition for is a homologous nature. After that, to formation of the heterologous means 2N chromosome. The 2N chromosome means is a tetrad nature. Anther is a tetrad. Tetrad means is a 4 lobe is formed in the tetrad. It in inner side of the ovum and sperm. The fertilization is a tetrad nature. Next, some plants is a microspores it present. Microspore it presents inner side of the polonium. Polonium means some layer of the sporangium. Sporangium means spores. Spores means it presents of the anther. Is each and every anther it presents of spores. Next, another one, the TS of mature anther. The each anther is a transverse section. Transverse section means the TS. ஒரு ஆந்தரை எடுத்து ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் செக்ஷன் பண்ணால் நம்ம அதோட இன்னர் பார்ட்ஸை வந்து அதோட இன்னர் பார்ட்ஸ் வந்து டீட்டெயில் டு ஸ்டடி த டிஎஸ் ஆஃப் ஆந்தர் டு த ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் சம் கேரக்டர் ஆஃப் ஆந்தர் connective and epidermis, endothecium, middle layer, teptum, stomium is a pollen grains. Is TS of anther. Is a connective means is a tissue. The central part of the tissue is a connective tissue. Each and every pollen is the inner side of the connective tissue. Next, epidermis means is the outermost layer. Each and every pollen to production. Each and every pollen to production the epidermis. Next one the endothecium. Endothecium means is a inner layer is endothecium. Middle layer means is in between the anther is a middle portion the middle layer. Next another one teptum. Teptum means is a main part of the anther. Next, stomium means is the end of the mature anther. Next, all the dot of the pollen grains, it presence of the anther, the TS of mature anther. First one, the epidermis. Epidermis means single layer. Epidermis single layer means outermost layer is epidermis. Next, endothecium. Endothecium means is a inner layer. Inner part endothecium means is elongated. Elongated structure is the inner layer of the endothecium. Next, inner layer of the endothecium, it to carry the anther of ovum. To carry the anther of ovum is a TS of mature anther to carry the ovary to mature of the anther. Next one is the cell is a hygroscopic. All endothecia and epidermis layer is a hygroscopic nature. Each and every cell is a hygroscopic nature to TS of anther. Hygroscopic nature to use it in them to receive the is a ovum. Next is another one is a primary partial cell. Is each and every endothecium is a primary partial cell. 2 to 5 layers. Each and every epidermis is a 2 to 5 layers is formed. Anther wall. Next epidermis, endothecium is and teptum is a main part of the TS of anther. Next, another one microsporogenesis. The epidermis is outer layer. Next, endothecium is a inner layer. Next, another one is a middle layer. Middle layer of the TS of anther is a middle layer is a 3 layers is formed. 3 layers means is a epidermis outer layer, endothecium inner layer. Is in between the middle layer is the TS of anther. Middle layer means is the inner character of the TS of anther. Next one the teptum. Next last one the teptum. Is 3 is completed. Next teptum. Teptum means is a innermost layer. The innermost layer of the teptum. Is a teptum is the innermost layer is the anther wall is a mature anther to development. Is the derived from the peripheral layer of the cell. The teptum to use in the peripheral layer. The cell to use in the peripheral layer is the peripheral layers of cell is a connective tissue in the teptum. It's a connective tissue, the peripheral layer to use in the teptum to utilize. Next, the cells of the teptum is a unilaculate. Unilaculate nature means unilaculate means is a single nucleus is a unilaculate. More than one nucleus is a polyploidy. Polyploidy means more than one nucleus is center of the cell. ஒரு நியூக்ளியஸ்க்கு மேலே இருந்துச்சுன்னா அது பாலிநியூக்ளியர்னு சொல்லுவோம். அது சென்டர் ஆஃப் த ஈச் அண்ட் எவரி நியூக்ளியஸ் இஸ் த மோர் தென் ஒன் நியூக்ளியஸ். Some plant is a cells is a unilaculate. Next, the wall of the material in the TS of mature anther. Some wall is present. This wall means outermost layer is a production of the TS of anther is the wall of the character. First one the sporopolonium. Next pollen kit. Next turbin is next is a protein coat. Is wall of the material the TS of anther. Next go to the types of teptum. Next types of teptum. Next types of septum is divided into two types of septum. First one secretory septum and invasive septum. The secretory septum means is the original position of the anther, original position of the cells is the nourishment of the cell is a septum is a secretory septum, some secretion of material. Next another one invasive septum. Invasive means is a cells is a loosely arrangement. The septum is a invasive septum is a loosely arrangement. Some cells the inner side and the loosely arrangement. The invasive septum is a invasive septum is a radial wall is presence of the protoplast cells. So protoplasmal invasive septum is arrangement is a tapetal cells, it presence of the invasive septum. Next another one function of septum. Next function of septum. இந்த டெப்டத்தோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்னென்ன ஃபங்க்ஷன் பண்ணும்போது டெப்டம் அப்படின்னா ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் த சப்ளைஸ் த நியூட்ரிஷன் இந்த ஆல் மேல் gamete and female gamete to important for the nutritive material. Nutritive material it supplies of the septum. All the cells to utilize in the septum is developing the microspores. The microspores means is a small each and every cell is a microspore is present. Next another one is the contributes a poroplonium is important pollen wall formation. Each and every pollen wall formation is a the production of the wall. Next pollen kit material is a tapetal cell is after development nature. Next is a exin is a protein. The coat is the main important for mature anther. Two coat. Number one the inner intine, outer exin. Exin to receive the ovary, to receive the ovary of anther to exin coat. Exin coat is a responsible rejection and expectance to use in the mature anther. Each and every ovary to rejection and expectance to use in the mature anther to use in the cavities of the exin. Each and every anther to presence of the exin coat. Next another one anther cavity. Anther cavity it presence of the one of the cavity like is small groove like structure is anther cavity to filled with microspore. Each and every anther it presence of the anther cavity is anther cavity it presence of the mother cells. Mother cell means to parent cell it presence of the anther cavity is all microspore is a capillary nature. Capillary nature means is a one end cell or single cell is a capillary cells. Next another one the connective. Next connective, third one connective. Next connective. Connective is here the sterile tissue. Sterile tissue the surrounded by the each and every lobe is present is anther lobe. Sterile tissue means is a without fertilization tissue. It presents of the vascular tissue it present. Each and every anther vascular tissue it presents. Next another one anther cavity connective tissue the sterile tissue to use in the mature anther to development of the each and every flower to presence of the sexual reproduction. The sexual reproduction the tears of mature anther to completed is very important for the tears of anther. Reproductive the process to very important of anther to utilize each and every flowers. Thank you.